off of the season. I can't believe it. I've done 21 bakes, and this week in Abu Dhabi I am making Arabian Doughnuts. Now these are called mats, I believe, and wish me luck because they've got yeast in them, which is always tricky, as you know if you've been watching these videos for the last year. And also it involves deep fat frying, and I have never ever done that before in my life. So for the final time this season, let's get cooking! Into a bowl you need to add 430 grams of plain flour, 1 packet of active dried yeast, 1 tablespoon of sugar and half a teaspoon of salt. If you're using a food processor, you should use the paddle attachment and then mix the dry ingredients together. In the absence of a food processor here, I'm just using a spoon. Into a jug, measure 236 millilitres of warm water and then pour the warm water into your dry ingredients and mix thoroughly. Finally, add 1 egg and 118 millilitres of warm milk, and then mix everything together until you get a thin batter. Once you've mixed up the milk and the eggs, the mixture should be sticky and quite thin. You then need to pop the bowl aside in a warm place for 30 to 40 minutes. Well, that was a shock. After 45 minutes, the mixture has indeed risen, so cross fingers, this might actually work. To make the doughnuts, you then need to deep fry them. So into a saucepan or a wok or a deep fryer, you need to put some oil and then heat it up. You want to be able to drop spoonfuls of dough into the hot oil to make the doughnuts. The oil should not be too hot, because if it's too hot, the doughnuts will cook on the outside but not on the inside. And if it's not hot enough, the doughnuts will stay flat and not expand. I'll let you into a little secret. I have never ever deep fried anything in my life, so this is the first time for me and I'm absolutely bricking it. Leave the doughnuts cooking until they are brown all over. Once your doughnuts are a golden brown colour, use a slotted spoon, take them out of the oil and place them on a paper towel to drain. Once your doughnuts are cooked, and trust me, these aren't the best shaped doughnuts in the world, put them on a plate, sprinkle with some sugar and drizzle with some honey.